This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Dave Mathis. A diamond in the rough. Owner/agent began renovations, then circumstances changed, so my sweet little SoKno house can be yours to complete with your unique taste. 2-bed/2 bath with separate laundry room. Large cabin-like shed with porch. Fire pit. Covered patio which makes a great place for a hammock. Motivated. For more information, review the details below or contact Dave Mathis at 865-584-4000.